Hello, this is Master Tineo, and in today's tech lesson, you will learn how to use PhotoGrid to make a multimedia poster. PhotoGrid is an app that works with images, videos, and much more media. You can use it, for example, to create a multimedia collage. I'm going to start the PhotoGrid app, and I'm going to create a grid. Here, now I can choose what is going to be in my collage or poster. I can add pictures and videos. I can add up to 9 pictures and videos. I'm going to add all 9. And now on the top, I can choose a layout. How do I want them organized on the collage? I will be choosing this one. Now here I have a sample of the collage, and it has pictures and video. If I want to check how it looks like, I can play. You see that some parts are still and others are moving, which are the videos when I play. At the bottom, I find more options, things that I can add or change from my collage. I can try, for example, layout to change how things are organized. I can also change the radio, which is the aspect. I can also change the border. So I can change the outer border, the inner borders, how rounded I want the borders of each element. I can change the background color to a different color that is not white, or a picture, or something that looks different. I can also change or add music. I can add music from different categories that I have here. All these musics are free to use. I can listen and use. That way I can add music. I can also add text by typing, and then I can change how this looks like. I can change things like the font. I can change colors. And I can also add stickers to also decorate my collage. When you finish adjusting your multimedia collage, you can press play to see how it looks like. Whenever you're ready, press save and confirm by pressing save again to save your work. These are just some ideas on how you can use PhotoGrid to make a multimedia collage. Now, you give it a try.